There are two ways in which you can make a marketing budget. पहला वाला, look at previous year's plan and the marketing budget, cut, copy, paste, make some cosmetic changes. Easy but not much different results. The impactful way, look at this year's business goals, what are the marketing objectives, look at the activities which can best give you results and use the money wisely. This is the impactful way that we will look at now. Hi, I'm Abhishek Jhingan. Let's get started. What is the marketing budget exactly? A marketing budget is the way you plan to spend your available money across various marketing initiatives and plans. The first step in creating a strong, impactful marketing budget is knowing what is your business objective. आपका इस साल का business objective क्या है? उसके basis पे you will have one or two marketing objectives. Example देखते हैं. Supposing you're a textile brand, an apparel brand doing very well in the market. This year you want to gain your market share by 5% in the athletic wear segment. This is your business objective. आपका marketing objective दो हो सकते हैं. Number one, 2% आप मार्केट शेयर इंक्रीज कराएंगे मेंस वेयर जो आपका बड़ा सेगमेंट है उसमें 2% यू वांट योर मार्केट शेयर टू इंक्रीज. सेकंड मार्केटिंग ऑब्जेक्टिव, your sales that come from your newer women's apparel segment doubles. Once you have your marketing objectives in place which stems from your business objective for the year, then you divide this across the year into activities. There will be one or two target groups that you will be looking at for the entire year. Plan your activities across the year so that you can achieve your marketing objectives. Then this is used to take it further. Now, for each activity, put a cost element, For example, let's take an example that you want to run a radio commercial, an ad across your top 15 markets. Now, you have the broader marketing objective, you have certain activities. Now, this is the radio commercial part, right? Now, this could be a frequency builder. It's a bi-monthly activity. Now, you break this activity also down into various parts. One, you might want to have two renditions of this radio campaign. So cost of production twice a year. You put a cost to that, keep it aside. Secondly, you'll have one main channel on which you'll broadcast this bi-monthly for the entire year. Secondly, जो season होगा आपका, say Q2, let's assume, there you will have three other channels which will come in for those 6 weeks where you will be broadcasting it. So put in the broadcasting cost of that one channel throughout the year and this seasonal 3 additional channels. Also put in importantly some money जो आप research में डालेंगे, how well the radio ad is doing. ये पैसा भी आप account करिए और ये सारा जो आप sum total करेंगे, this one activity across the year with some variations, the various heads. One, cost of production. Second, cost of broadcast. Third, cost of the research to find out your marketing impact. This becomes your budget for this activity. Now similarly सारे activities को हम join together करके या sum करके we make the annual budget. Important trick here now, that is where the planning comes into play. आपने अपना business objective लिया है, फिर marketing objective set किया, then you have various activities. Now prioritize each of these activities, which is a must have, which is a must do, which are important in certain parts. Why? Because expect that you will have a budget cut at some point, maybe around mid-year or maybe a little bit later. At that point, you must be very, very smart in knowing which are the critical activities that you need to keep. कई activities जो आप postpone या withhold कर सकते हो और कोशिश करिएगा जो main activities है that budgeting or that spend if possible is done in the early part of the year. अब we've got the broad budgeting in place, timeline, we've got a priority right, which is most important. Now 2-3 things that we tend to miss out or forget. First, market research planning ka budget. Now this is very important, friends, because we are more focused on the activity, the production which gives us impact, right? Your customer behavior change, sales. But important, keep your research budgets aside. How will you measure your activity? How will you do the research for starting an activity? So market research, please budget it at the beginning. Secondly, incentives. Now most companies have incentives for the sales colleagues generally, which are put in, you know, the normal P&L, the company P&L or the business unit P&L. Please keep an extra amount for your marketing initiative, some special campaign, कोई special award हो किसी top performer के लिए, keep that in place. Third, budget for untested or newer activities. 10% of your budget please do keep for the untested new activities, like कोई नया प्लेटफॉर्म डिजिटल आप ट्राई करना चाहते हो, कोई नए सेगमेंट में आप जाना चाहते हो, कीप 10% फॉर दैट, बिकॉज इफ यू हैव अ गुड ईयर और योर कंपनी वांट्स मोर रिजल्ट्स और वांट्स इनोवेशन, यूज दिस. Also one part which we forget is some sort of exigency plan, emergency के लिए कोई plan. You might have to at some point launch a special promotional scheme for some competition action which has happened, or some new product launch which has taken place which you could not, you know, plan for. इसके लिए keep some separate money aside. Friends, in summary, as we have seen, a good marketing budget flows from the business objective for the year, marketing objectives which are set as per the business objective, activities which are well defined, which help you make an impact in the market. You also need to be sharp about certain aspects that we tend to miss out. Keep this in mind, prioritize your activities well, and when required, fight for your marketing budget to make that impact in the market. If you like this discussion and other such discussion on cutting edge marketing, on newer marketing ideas, प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल, और प्लीज इसे शेयर करिए अपने फ्रेंड्स या कलीग्स के साथ हु आर ऑल्सो इंटरेस्टेड इन सिमिलर कंटेंट.